Find the best MIDI cables in at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review the top 10 best MIDI cables on the market. 10. Hosa MID-303RR. With regards to hardware, Hosa Technology Incorporated is a power-to-figure with. They offer a variety of first-class connectors including cables, sound connectors, and video cables. One of their items is the Hosa Dual MIDI cable, which positions among the best in its class. What's more, that is not by botch but rather in light of the fact that exclusively of the quality it offers. 9. TNP USB to MIDI cable converter. 2-in-1 PC to synthesizer music, easy to install with worked in the driver, USB controlled, no AC connector required. 1-in plus 1-out MIDI interface, 16 MIDI information channels and 16 MIDI yield channels. LED power indicator, MIDI in and out flag pointer, supports Windows and Mac. Worked in the USB cable and MIDI augmentation cables, fast and stable MIDI information transmission. 8. Monoprice MIDI cable with 5-pin DIN plugs. Monoprice has notoriety for offering top-of-the-line consumer items and accessories including batteries, backpacks, and cables. You don't have to loot a bank to claim a MIDI cable. With fewer than $5, you can possess a modest yet great cable that will help associate your music instruments. Monoprice MIDI cable is justified regardless of the minimal expenses it requires to own them. 7. Hosa MID-505. Hosa Technology Incorporated offers top-quality cables, connectors, sound and video frill. Hosa MID-510 MIDI cable shows up among the best decisions in this class. It is evaluated profoundly on Amazon with various empowering reviews from fulfilled clients. What's more, there are adequate reasons why it positions among the best. 6. Hosa Dual MIDI cable. Each of the cables is color-coded so that the consumer has an easy identification of which cable would connect to which device. Plus, each lead is wired 5-pin. The cable functions properly and has all metal plugs for heavy-duty strength and easy to repair. 5. Monoprice MIDI cable with 5-pin DIN plugs. This cable can give a fantastic sound system for supporting your day-by-day needs. You don't have to stress over keeping up the general nature of this unit. This MIDI cable is produced using solid and furthermore top-notch items. Its cable coating is especially used with a specific end goal, that is to give solid and furthermore delicate touch for all customers. 4. Hosa MID-510. Hosa cables are worked with the determined, hardcore artist or sound skillful at the top of the priority list. Hosa cables are exceedingly prominent, due to a limited extent to their notoriety for being a standout amongst the most reasonable and superb cable lines in the business. Hosa cables have likewise gotten praise for their strength and amazing performance. 3. Hosa MID-305BK. With regards to sound cable structure, Hosa watches out for the nuts and bolts, and you can hear this tender loving care in their sound. To encounter an amazing music extraordinary, get a Hosa cable today. 2. Monoprice MIDI cable. Monoprice is famous for producing top-notch quality MIDI cables like this that are budget-friendly, so the consumers get both. The price and the quality both. These cables can easily be linked to any kind of instrumental device or even your PC, without any hassle. The jacket for this cable that Monoprice has used is soft but durable and will surely last a lifetime. 1. USB in-out MIDI cable converter. This cable is no doubt at the top in the MIDI cables for 2018 list. Not only this, it is easy to use and turning your PC into a music studio. Simply start by attaching an electronic musical instrument to your computer with the lead via USB MIDI cable, and within minutes you will be able to record high-quality sounds via your PC software. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe.